Hi everyone, welcome to Karen from tillycrafts.co.uk. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in the UK. Today I thought I'd just hop on and show you my paper pumpkin I received with my last order. It's a Joy to the World one, so it's a Christmas one, and it's really nice. So let's get in. I apologise for my light shining on there, but it will go when I got rid of the shiny box. So what have we got in here? It's got a little flyer. It does come in English, French and German, and it's peace, joy and love, which is stamped on the box, so the box is quite nice too. Right, let's have a look. So we've got an ink spot in Just Jade. I won't be opening this today because I've got a full one and I like to keep those. We've got a stamp set, holly wreath, berries, a floral arrangement. You've got Merry Christmas, joy to you and yours, sending to the world, and inside you can put wishing you a very happy Christmas filled with fun and laughter. So you can put sending joy to the world, sending joy to you and yours. So it's quite versatile and you can build it up how you want. So it always comes in lovely tissue paper. I'm sorry if it rattles. We'll just get this out and I can move the box. That would be easier if I just pulled it out. Right, there we go. You see, I haven't even opened it yet. The only thing that when you get one in the UK, because this is an American thing, they have one every month, and you can subscribe to it. But in the UK and Europe, we just get one-off specials. And to make the cost cheaper for posting them out, they don't include a block. So you would need a block to put your stamps on. If you were going to get one, the biggest one you would need, I think, is a D block. Yeah, a D block would do, because you can get your wreath on, and if you squint it, you can get it that way. I mean, if you haven't got any blocks and you weren't like, you didn't want to order just a block, then you could use the back of something solid. Like if you got something square and solid, you could use the back of that. Right, so let's have a look what we've got in here. Get rid of the cardboard. Right, so you always get a little leaflet with it. It gives you some ideas of how they've made the cards up. You don't have to stick to it. The coordinating colours in here are cherry cobbler, crumb cake, early espresso, Just Jade and soft sea foam. So let's have a look. So your ribbon, your twine is cherry cobbler. Your cards are crumb cake. Let's have a look at these. These are really nice. There's two different designs on these. So you've got lines going across if you had it portrait, and lines going down if you had it portrait, or you can turn them round. So if you had them landscape, you've got one set going down and one set going across. They're really nice, those. The white inside as well. And you get coordinating envelopes. Look at those. Very nice. You also get a pack of dimensionals to stick your bits on. You get 4 pieces of this white embossed paper. So there's 2 different sizes. It looks like a cable knit cardigan type of embossing folder on there. Oh, it's another envelope. And you also get 5 little labels and 4 big labels. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets of these. They're all the same. So you've got the holly wreath on there. You've got 2 flowers. Then you also get these cutouts, and they're not white. I just need to turn them over. They're beautiful in gold. So you've got banners. You've got joy, friend, love, amar. I can't pronounce that, but that is Dutch, I think, this one down here, or German. Harmony. It does tell you on the box what they mean, actually. Let's have a look. Is it on this one? No, it was on the other one, wasn't it? So German is harmony for peace, food for joy, that's that one. I thought it said friend to teach me to put my glasses on. Excuse me. And love is Libby. And then your French, you've got Paix for peace, where that's in there. Joy is Joey there. And obviously Armour for love. You get 2 sheets of those. How nice are those? Right, let's put together one of the cards. I mean, you don't have to stick to these designs. You can do whatever you want, but let's see. Let's take one of the cards and see how easy it is to put together. So I'm just going to fold that in half. They're already scored. I'm just using my block because I can't find my bone folder. See, very versatile as a block. And I think we will take one of these ones. We'll have that on there. I think we'll have that going that way. We will have a wreath. Now, with these wreaths, they've already got the berries on, which is good. So then you just take your wreath here. Oops. And like I said, I'm not going to use my ink spot because I have a big Just Jade, so I'm just going to use that. But if you wanted to get anything to go with this, because you could always make extra Christmas cards up, because the stamps are pretty anyway, so you could always make more up. You could always buy a cherry cobbler ink pad and then just line it up. I think the holes, hang on. Right, so let's go down. The camera's in the way, so forgive me if it goes off a bit. Let's give that a good press. Oh, that's pretty. So I think we'll have that on there. And we might have a banner. So I'm not actually making one up the same. I'm just ad-libbing it. So we could have that on there like that. I'm just trying to think, where's the little white stickers gone? See, I've only just opened it and I'm losing things all over. There we go, let's have a look. I'm thinking I might actually... we want a little one to go on top of there. No, that was a bit silly. I think we'll have a big one like that. No, we won't. We'll have it like that even, then you might be able to see the sentiment. Would help if I could line things up proper. We'll have our holly wreath up here. Or should we have it on there like that? No, I want it on there. Right, come on Karen, get your backside together. I'll stick it down, then I've got it. This is me though. I'll have that on there. And I think we will have this now down here. In fact, I can't see. No, definitely that way. And we'll use the Merry Christmas. I should have actually showed you one off the picture, but that's the problem with me. And I start doing things and I think, oh, I'll just do this, I'll just do that. Oh, that stamp's so nice, that font. Right, stick that down. This is my new seal, Stampin seal. Right, let's just see if I can get that level on there. There we go. Pop a couple of dimensions on. You can tell I've probably not woke up properly yet. This is what I feel like. So I'll have that on there. I shall get the twine. I have to cut it because I can't get in. And what I'm going to do is make a little bow with this. Right, it's a bit big. There we go. There, I like that. Nope, I don't like that. I think it's the tails have gone to I like that. I'd have to play with this. They do come out, it's just me cack-handed today, I think. And there we go, that's better. Let's get a little glue dot. I'm just folding it over because we only want it tiny. Oops. There we go. You can just fiddle around with it until you make it right. It's quite like that. Right, shall I make one out of the actual cards base to show you how they go together? Right, we shall take the long piece and we want some thread around this. I think it's because it's on a little roll, it's really curly. Right, so I've got my bow on and then I can fiddle around with it once we've stuck all the elements down. And I didn't pull it quite tight enough, but hey ho, don't mind. Right, so we want another wreath. Go. Give it a good press. And then we're going to have that. So we need to make sure that that goes up and is to the side. It's about halfway, isn't it? Let's move that. Move it along a bit like that. Dimensionals again. Pop that over there, and then I think we'll take the gold love, take this one out, Right, so they just need sticking down. So what I'll do is I'll just put a little bit of glue on the back. Only needs a little bit. So you see you've got your love, and then if you take one of the little ones that we got out before and taking the sending out. Oh, lost my little book. And pop that on there. Just going to put a little bit of glue on. Oops. Sending love. I like that one. Oops. Where's my card bases gone? See, I'm not safe to be let out this morning. Definitely not. What was it to do with my card bases? As if you can shout back at me down the thing. Oh, there they are. Would have if I looked at them where I put them. And we just pop that up on dimensions. Where's my tail end? I'm just going to pull that a bit tighter. Cut that off. And on the inside, I'm going to put a greeting. There we go. Wishing you a very happy Christmas filled with fun and laughter. And while we've got this one here, I'll put this one in as well. So there you go then. So that's off the designs they've shown us. This one's just me making one up. Could actually put a joy or peace across there. So let me make sure I get the right one. Let's have a look. So if we take this, I need to brush up on my French, I think. It's very rude of me not to be able to. Oops, my glue's gone funny. That's peace. So very Christmas. That just finished it off nice, doesn't it? There is a little tiny dot, but I'll have to get my glasses on to put that on. But I hope you've enjoyed that. Just to show you what you get in it. But like, there's more than enough for the cards, and you get stuff left over. Like, there'll be some flowers left over. You've got this amazing stamp set, so you can carry on using it. And all you needed to do is buy some note cards and envelopes, stamp a nice wreath with some berries on. So like that, and some cherry cobbler, and you're all sorted, ready to go. So thank you very much for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed it. This is on, if you go over to my blog and you want to purchase one, there is a link to my shop on there, so you can purchase one if you so wish. Thank you for joining me, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye.